position, Watershed. Fast to begin, Sunny Sabayorun from the outside is Night or Day. Watershed by about 2 lang, Sunny Sabayorun. Night or Day, Whistler is running by the Saturday Magic. And a long way back to G's Melody. And inside the last 900, Watershed by about 4 lengths, Sunny Sabayorun. Whistler is running by the Saturday Magic. Danori inside, alongside is Night or Day. And G's Melody is still the tail ender. And rounding the fourth turn, Watershed by about 3 lengths, Sunny Sabayorun. Whistler by the Night or Day. Saturday Magic and G's Melody as they swing from Watershed by about 2 lengths. Sunny Sabayorun still running in second. Whistler Danori inside third, and with the last 250 meters more to run, Watershed by about 2 lengths, followed by Sunny Sabayorun in second, and nearing the finish line, Watershed, Sunny Sabayorun, Night or Day on the outside, and finally Sunny Sabayorun, Night or Day, Watershed, G's Melody, number 4, Saturday Magic, Whistler.